Time is not your friend. It never was. It doesn't care about your dreams, your pain, your plans, or your excuses. While you sit there thinking you still have plenty of time, it's already moving, already taking something from you that you will never get back. And the worst part, you don't even feel it happening. Days turn into weeks, weeks turn into years, and one day, you wake up and realize you didn't run out of time. You wasted it. Time doesn't destroy people all at once. It erodes them slowly. Through comfort, through delay, through the lie of "I'll start tomorrow." That one sentence has killed more dreams than failure ever could, because failure at least means you tried. But waiting is silent death. Look at your life right now, not the life you imagine, not the one you post, the real one. How much of it is built on intention, and how much of it is built on delay? Every hour you spend avoiding what matters, time takes a piece of your potential. Every moment you choose distraction over discipline, your future gets weaker. You think you're just wasting a day, but you're not. You're training yourself to be the kind of person who wastes a lifetime, and that pattern is dangerous. Because time doesn't pause when you're confused. It doesn't slow down when you're unmotivated. It doesn't wait for you to figure things out. It just keeps going. And if you don't take control, it will leave you behind without hesitation. There's a version of you that could exist right now, stronger, sharper, disciplined, focused. But that version is trapped behind your excuses. And every second you delay, that version gets further away. Not because it's impossible, but because you're not choosing it. Time is giving you a choice every single day. Build or decay, grow or stay stuck, act or regret. There is no neutral. Even when you think you're doing nothing, time is still doing something. It's moving you closer to either success or regret. And regret is heavy. It's waking up one day with the realization that you had everything you needed, but you chose comfort instead. It's knowing that you could have been more, but you ran out of time to prove it. That feeling, it's permanent. So if there's something inside you, something telling you that you're meant for more, stop ignoring it. That voice is not your enemy. It's the last warning before time takes your chance away. You don't need more time. You need to respect the time you have. Because right now, as you listen to this, time is still moving, still counting, still taking. One day it will stop giving you chances. And when that moment comes, it won't matter what you plan to do. It will only matter what you actually did. So decide now. Not tomorrow, not later, not when it's convenient. Now. Because time is not waiting for you. It's watching you decide whether you're worth the seconds you've been given.